Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to solve this problem. Invalid video reference must be replaced. So you're going to face something like this if you try to edit an old video of yours on your channel. So let's say you want to trim some parts of the video and you're going to see this. Anytime you see something like this, you'll not get the chance to save it after you've edited it. You need to follow this. You need to do this before you get a chance to save this. So you can see here. Now let's come back and let me show you guys how to do this. So to do this, there is probably a problem with the cards inserted in this video. So now let's come here. Good. And now let's edit our info cards, and you can see there's a problem with my card here. So I just need to delete the card. You get me? Now let me save it. Good. Now let me come here and now let me refresh my page. Something like this. Now let me try to trim it. And now let me try a new cut. And now let me try to save it. And you can see now I have the save option here. So that's it on how you can solve the invalid problem. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.